Can you transfer your Amazon gift card balance to another account? Today we are going to talk about if you can transfer your Amazon gift card balance to another account. So for that, as you guys can see, Amazon gift card balance can be transferred between accounts, which means once you redeem it, you won't be able to transfer it. However, if you made a mistake, you can try doing this is you can go to Amazon customer service. You can, search for Amazon customer service and go to the first website. And there you have to go to this option, which is payment charges invoices, and you will see this list. Here you simply have to go to the option which should be gift cards and top up. And in the gift cards and top up, you just have to go to the first option, which is to redeem a gift card, and then you have to select an option for gift card applied to wrong account. And there, as you guys can see, it is telling you that you won't be able to do that. You won't be able to actually redeem it, which means you won't be able to transfer it. However, if you click on I need more help, you can actually request them a call and let them know that I have this problem, kindly help me with it. So they might be help you with that. So that's pretty much it. That's what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this video helpful.